Ready? Formalities of drawing inquest Panchanama, scene of offense Panchanama, etc. were completed by them. While drawing scene of offense Panchanama, simple earth mixed with blood, axe were seized by them from the spot of incident. Dead body of Indubai was sent to rural hospital Maker for performing postmortem. Postmortem was done by Dr. Shailaja. Blood-stained cloths of Indubai were collected by Constable Sirsat with sample of viscera and her blood sample from the hospital and were reached at police station. Later on, Ajinkya was taken to the police station Dongaon where his detailed complaint was reduced into writing. Since the accused had sustained serious injuries, he was immediately sent to Ghati Hospital, Aurangabad for treatment. Later on, he was arrested on 24/12/2012. His blood-stained clothes were seized. All attached articles were then sent to CA Nagpur for examination. Post-mortem note: procured statements of various witnesses have been recorded. After completion of investigation, charge sheet was initially filed in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Maker, Para. Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Maker committed this case to the court session as the offence punishable under Section 302 of Indian Penal Code is exclusively triable by the Session Court. I have framed charge at Exhibit 5 on 12/6/2013. It was read over and explained to the accused in vernacular. The accused pleaded not guilty and claimed trial. Prosecution, in support of its case, placed reliance on oral evidence of PW1 Ajinkya, Exhibit 9, Complaint Exhibit 10, Printed FIR Exhibit 11, PW2 Vijay Exhibit 12, PW3 Shivaji Exhibit 13, PW4 Dr. Shailaja Exhibit 14, copy of letter written to medical officer.